Meta is just for B2C, right? Wrong. If you're in B2B and you've written off Meta ads, you're probably leaving qualified pipeline on the table. In 2025 and in 2026, Meta is quietly becoming the most cost-effective demand generation and nurture channel for B2B if you use it correctly. I run growth marketing for B2B companies from SaaS to industrial tech and others. I've tested LinkedIn, Google, Meta, YouTube, and display. The pattern is clear. Meta wins for reach, cost, and nurture when you align the right offer with the right audience and add correct measurement. So here's what we'll cover. Number 1, where Meta fits in the B2B funnel. Number 2, targeting that actually works. Number 3, offers that convert without hurting your brand. Number 4, measurement that ties to pipeline. And number 5, a 30-day action plan. Number 1, where Meta fits in B2B. So first off, demand generation. You can reach more of your ICP for pennies compared to LinkedIn cost-wise. Second is nurture and retargeting. With Meta, you can keep warm leads consuming case studies, webinars, and product explanation videos. The third one is ABM, account-based marketing. Surround target accounts with thought leadership while SDRs work on them. So the key idea here is to use Meta to create and escalate intent, not to capture intent. That's Google's search job, so to say. Number 2, targeting that works in 2025 and in 2026. So first off, there's first-party audiences. CRM lists from closed-won deals, churn and winback, etc., etc. There's also website visitors and video viewers like 20, 50, or 75% watch time. Second is Meta lookalike audiences from especially SQLs or customers. Don't just focus on creating lookalike audiences based on lead forms. Now, a pro tip is to keep prospecting and retargeting in separate campaigns to control budgets and frequency. Number 3, offers that convert. The first one is lead magnets like ROI calculators, benchmark reports, or implementation checklists. The second one is events and webinars. For example, you can have an executive briefing with a clear promise containing 3 to 5 great strategies, insights, or tactics fitted into a 30 or 45-minute presentation. Third one is problem solution videos that spans from 30 or 45-second clips with demo snippets and social proof. The fourth one is soft call to actions. Get the template, watch the 5-minute demo, or see pricing details, for example. Now, a pro tip is to pair each offer with the next step in the nurture phase. For example, if you have an email sequence or a retargeting ad. Number 4, measurement that ties to pipeline. So first off, you want to have a Meta conversion API and the standard Meta pixel to ensure resilient tracking. Having the Meta conversion API installed is a hygiene standard in 2025 and in 2026. So make sure you have it. Second off is to utilize UTM tags in the right way. So UTM source should be Meta, UTM medium should be CPC or paid, and UTM campaign should be dynamic values if you prefer. So the way you name it inside of the Facebook platform is how it's going to show up in the analytics. And same goes for UTM content. Use dynamic values here so it will show as the way you name it inside of the Facebook platform. Third thing is to sync Hubspot or Salesforce and create, if you would like, a leads to MQL to SQL and a revenue dashboard. Now, the truth here is that a lower CTR doesn't matter if the opportunity rate and deal value goes up. Number 5, your 30-day action plan. Week number 1, implement Pixel and Conversion API. Connect your CRM, create core audiences like site, CRM list, and video views. Build 2 offers, one top of funnel like benchmark reports, one for middle of funnels like case study webinar. Week number 2. So first off, launch a prospecting campaign based on lookalike audiences from your customer list with preferably 3 creatives. Second off is to launch a retargeting campaign based on site visitors, video viewers, lead openers, and preferably with a case study or a testimonial. Week number 3, first off, add a instant form variant, preferably 3 to 5 fields, including the work email. A side note here is that if you have integrated Hubspot or Salesforce directly to Meta, like I always stress about this on this channel, is that those leads get seamlessly imported into your CRM without you having to lift a finger. So make sure you do. Second off is that you want to start nurture emails tied to the offer. And the next step is to create a retargeting campaign like a webinar pushing to a product demo. And speaking about nurture emails, a side note is that I will make a separate video on how to create nurture emails. Week number 4. Review thumbnail stop rate, CTRs, cost per qualified lead, SQL rate, pipeline value, kill losers, duplicate winners, scale by 20 to 30%. So to recap, Meta isn't just for B2C. It's the most efficient way to create demand, warm accounts, and convert fence sitters into buyers, but only if you use CRM, customer data, and value-led offers and pipeline-first measurement. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Also remember to check out my B2B Meta Ads playlists.